Have you ever seen a mountain that breathes fire and smoke? It's called a volcano. Today, let's find out why volcanoes erupt. A volcano is a special mountain with an opening that reaches deep down to the super hot inside of our planet. Let's journey down, past the crust we live on, into a layer called the mantle, where it's hot enough to melt solid rock. That melted rock is called magma. It's runny, glowing, and incredibly hot, much hotter than your oven at home. Deep under a volcano, magma collects in a giant pocket called a magma chamber, slowly filling up over many years. Magma is lighter than the solid rock around it, so it pushes upward, squeezing through cracks toward the surface. As it rises, gases trapped inside start to bubble, just like a fizzy soda when you shake the can. When the pressure gets too strong, boom, the volcano erupts, blasting magma high into the sky. Once magma reaches the surface, we call it lava. It pours down the sides in glowing, fiery rivers. Volcanoes also shoot out clouds of ash, puffs of smoke, and chunks of rock that tumble through the air. As the lava cools, it hardens into solid rock, actually building brand new land, layer by layer. Not all volcanoes look the same. Some are tall and steep, and others are wide with gentle slopes. Quick check. True or false? Melted rock underground is called lava. False. Underground, it's magma. Above ground, it's lava. Most volcanoes sit around the Pacific Ocean, in the same ring of fire where most earthquakes happen. They really are cousins. In Hawaii, gentle volcanoes ooze lava that cools in the sea. And that's exactly how the Hawaiian Islands were born. Many volcanoes are hidden under the sea. Over thousands of years, their lava can stack up high enough to make new islands. Scientists called volcanologists study volcanoes, using special tools to measure heat, gas, and tiny tremors in the ground. Can they tell when a volcano might erupt? Often, yes. Rising smoke and little earthquakes can be warning signs. If a volcano becomes active, the most important rule is to stay far away and listen to the scientists who keep everyone safe. Isn't our planet amazing? Maybe one day you could be a volcanologist. Thanks for learning with us. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to learn big. See you next time, explorers!